Hey, it's Bones, and today, well, I just did hit 100 subscribers yesterday, so thank you all for that. And I did get a package from YouTube, and it must be affiliated with my 100 subscriber mark. So, let's open it, alright? Okay. First thing, got a letter in here from YouTube. It says, "Dear Bones, at 1 subscriber, we thought, not bad. That's a healthy new channel. At 50 subscribers, we thought, wow, this creator has got something special going on. But 100 subs? At this point, we're actually scratching our heads. How the hell did you accomplish this goal? You are such a lit human being, and that's why we would like to award you with the first ever cardboard play button." What? "The entire Bones gang is so lit. We wish that we could make a movement like all of you. Good job, Bones. Keep up the great work. Proud of you. Signed, Susan Wachiki." Oh my god. Oh, okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is the first ever cardboard play button. Signed by YouTube. Like, this is from YouTube. Oh my god. Young Bones written here. We got the 100 subs written here. We got the play button. Oh my god. This is amazing. Thank you. Thank you for this goal. I'm sorry, I can't contain myself. Thank you for 100 subscribers, everyone. Thanks for watching, Young Bones. Where the grind don't stop, the tea stays orange, and the cats stay meowing. Thank you for 100 subs. We did it, boys.
Patience. I used to feel so devastated.